Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. So for those of you who haven't been to my channel before, my name is Claudia Michelle and I'm a student at Plymouth State University. I'm a nursing major and I love the gym and I love fitness and healthy nutrition and all that good stuff. So that's what my channel is mostly about. So today I just got home from the gym. I did a cardio session with some abs. I just took a shower, so now I wanted to show you guys one of my post-workout meals, snacks, whatever you want to call it. There's nothing much to it. It's just rice cakes and peanut butter, but it's a really simple snack that re-ups my carbohydrates and protein in my body after a workout. So that's what I'm going to have for a snack. And then also later on, I'm going to show you guys a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner option for meal prep. So really excited about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video for any future videos that you'd like me to do. Really means the world, so thank you so much, and let's start with the video. Alright, and here it is. I'm gonna eat this, and yeah. Alright, so when it comes to pre-workout snacks and just like snacks in general that I eat, I'll usually have a yogurt with granola right before I go, and I'll usually eat this in class because I go to the gym right after class. Or I'll have these hard-boiled eggs. They're like already hard-boiled for you. They're really easy, so that's why I buy them. I'll have 2 of those with whatever berries are on sale. So today I went grocery shopping and blackberries and raspberries were on sale, so I got both of those. So yeah, I'll have these, and they're really easy and it gets me ready for the gym. Easily digestible, and I'm not feeling like sick to my stomach or anything when I'm there. So if you don't really like hard-boiled eggs, another option I have for you for like a quick protein snack is to pick up some like deli turkey. So this is what I got today. The deli line was really long today, and I don't really like the packaged turkey that they have at the store, so instead of waiting in the line, I grabbed one of these. They're like they're in the convenient side of the deli. I didn't have to wait for it, I just grabbed it, so that was cool. And then, so I'll take the turkey, and then I'll grab some cheese, and you'll make like a little roll-up. You put like a piece of turkey down, cheese, and then you roll it up. Really simple, but that's a really good way to have a quick protein snack if you don't really like hard-boiled eggs or anything like that. Alright, so first is breakfast, and what I usually have are these. The Kashi 7-grain waffles. I also do the Kodiak cake waffles too. Those are really good, but they're more on the expensive side, so sometimes you have to go with the cheaper ones, but the Kashi are really good too. And then another option that I do is just oatmeal in the morning with some protein powder in it. I haven't done that in a while because it takes a little bit longer than the waffles because all you have to do is pop them in the toaster, but those are my 2 options for breakfast, so try those if you like. Some peanut butter on the waffles too is really good. Adds extra protein and fat, so it makes you stay full for longer. Alright, so next I'm going to talk about the lunch meal prep. I'm going to make this week is turkey spinach burgers. They're so good. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a picture of this before. So all it is a ground turkey patty, pre-seasoned, raw spinach, cheese, and then it's on it's like sandwich deli flat. So it's high protein, still has carbs, but it's like on the lower carb side, and you also get your veggies in, so it's a really good macro-friendly lunch. So when I went grocery shopping today, I bought a pound of ground turkey, the 85/15. What I did before the video was I pre-seasoned it and then formed the burgers and just put them into a little container. So here they are. I made 6 of them, 1 for each day. And also, if I don't finish any of them, then I can freeze the rest and then use them for another time. But season them with garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and then salt. So 1 pound makes about 6 burgers this size. Depending on what size you want, it'll vary. So those are the burgers. And then just some raw spinach. Thin sliced cheese. I like the thin slices, 45 calories, and I like this type of cheese. And then these are the deli thins I was talking about. They're multi-grain, 100 calories per serving, and they're just a great way to like keep your carbs in check, but also you know, not have too many or too much at the same time. So yeah, that's that. So those, veggies, cheese, and the burgers. So what I do with these burgers is I pre-make them into the shape. I'll cook them when I need them, so I don't pre-cook them or anything, because I'm not really into that whole heating up burgers. I don't really like that. So I'll cook them when I'm gonna eat them. I cook all my meats and my burgers on this George Foreman grill. So what I'll do is place a burger on the grill, pre-seasoned and everything, all ready to go. Just place it right on the grill. And then I'll take one of the deli thins and put it in the toaster so it's nice and crispy when it's ready. While that's going, I'm continuously looking at these to make sure they're cooked through. I'm flipping them. And then once these are ready, I'll get the plate to go and I'll open them face out. I'll put the spinach on the bottom, just a nice big handful of spinach. Boom, right there. Put a piece of cheese or two, depending on how cheesy I'm feeling. I'll put a piece of cheese right there on the open part of the bun, and then right on top of the spinach. And then once the burger's done, I'll just put the burger right on there, fold it up, and then I usually wrap it up in tin foil and bring it with me on the go to my next class. So it's really quick, it's really easy, and it keeps me full, and it's macro friendly and all that good stuff. So it's the lunch meal prep. Alright, now finally I'm going to show you guys my dinner meal prep, and for this week I'm doing honey mustard grilled chicken, green beans, and then brown rice. Alright, so I know this looks disgusting, but this is the chicken that I'm going to have. It's already marinating in the bag right now. There's 3 big pieces of chicken in here. For the veggie, we're doing green beans. Really easy, microwavable bag. This bag will last me probably 2 or 3 servings worth of vegetables, so I can have this for 2 to 3 days. And then for my carb, just easy Uncle Ben's whole grain medley rice. Takes 90 seconds. So all of this really is as quick as you can get with a dinner meal prep. So here we go. So just like the turkey burgers, I'm not going to cook anything tonight because it's just going to be a waste. I'm not going to eat it. It's for the next week starting tomorrow, which is Monday. So what I'll do is I will take a chicken breast and put it right on the George Foreman. And then while that's cooking, I am putting these in the microwave and getting them ready to go. So obviously once you cook these, you can't like put them back in the bag or anything. So I'll just put the rest of what I don't eat into a separate container. Same with this rice, and I'll just take what I need for the meal. So when everything's ready, you have a grilled chicken breast, a side of green beans, and a side of the brown and wild rice. And really easy meal prep, stays on track with your macros, and it has everything you need, and it's really good. And that concludes today's meal prep video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.